Most people get this wrong when they hear about apps that promise easy cash. They assume it is instant money just for tapping a few buttons. But here's the truth, no one tells you. These apps can be real, but the earnings are usually much lower than expected. In this video, you will learn what the CashYeah app actually is in 2026, how it works, whether it pays, and if it is worth your time. By the end, you will know exactly what to expect before you even download it. Let's start with how it works. CashYeah is a rewards-based app where users complete simple tasks like offers, surveys, or app installs to earn points. Those points can then be converted into cash or gift cards depending on your region. But here's the problem most users notice early. The available tasks can be inconsistent, and not all users see the same earning opportunities. Now here's where it gets interesting. CashYeah makes money by connecting advertisers with users. So when you complete an offer or install an app, the advertiser pays CashYeah, and a portion of that gets shared with you. That sounds simple, but the payout per task is usually small. So does it actually pay? Yes, CashYeah is considered a legitimate rewards app, and some users do report receiving payouts through PayPal or gift cards. But legitimacy does not automatically mean high earnings. Let's make this real. Someone like Alex who casually completes a few offers might earn a small amount over time. But someone like John expecting fast daily income will likely feel disappointed because the app is not designed for high or stable earnings. This is where most people fail. They assume all earn money apps work the same way and expect consistent payouts. In reality, these platforms depend heavily on region, availability of offers, and user activity. In a minute, here's the most important insight most beginners miss. The highest earnings usually come from completing high-value offers or referral bonuses, not from small daily tasks. Now, let's talk pros and cons. The good side is that it is free, easy to use, and does offer real payout options like PayPal and gift cards. The downside is low earning potential, limited task availability, and inconsistent rewards depending on your location. So what is the final verdict? CashYeah is legit, but it is not a reliable income source. It works best as a casual side app, not something you depend on for money. To summarize, yes, it pays, but only in small amounts. If you use it occasionally, it can give you small rewards. If you expect serious income, you will be disappointed. If you found this review helpful, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest app reviews like this.